Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel again. Today we're going to be preparing okra soup. These are the ingredients. And here you have my lucky charm. My son gave me and told me good luck. So let's move right into it. We'll be washing our stockfish with hot water to clean out the dirt and rinse with cold water. This is our ugu leaf, pumpkin leaf. We have to slice it to the size you like. I like mine small because of my kids, so that's what I'm trying to achieve. I'll be showing you how to cut this okra. So these are the circle types. My mom loves this method. It comes out in circles, like this. And then the second method is cutting them in cubes. Like this. And the third method, which I'll be using for this video, is the grating method. Like I said, my kids are too small, so I need them to swallow. I've cut my chicken. I'm leaving half of it for now. I brought out goat meat from my deep freezer. Even though it's still blocked, I need to defrost it, but I'll be using it today as well. So let's wash our chicken. Don't forget to use salt to clean it out properly. Put it on fire. Make sure you spice it properly. Let's go over this again. Palm oil, crayfish, stockfish, beef, okra, seasoning cubes, ogbono, ugu. Put your oil on fire. I don't let mine get too hot before I put my onions. Put your ogbono. Make sure you fry it properly. Try not to let it burn. Add your beef and your stock. Then add your chicken stock and your chicken as well. Add your stockfish. Add your goat meat. Stir very well and let it boil. This is the consistency I'm looking for because of my kids. I don't like it too thick. Put your crayfish. I don't like putting mine in the frying stage because I like the taste of the crayfish to come out. So now we're left with our okra and ugu and my good luck charm. Add your okra. Mine doesn't stay for long. I just put it, stir it in, go get the ugu. Add the ugu and turn it off immediately once I'm done adding. So this is how I get to prepare my okra soup. This is the local way my mom taught me. So this is what we have. Ta-da! I hope you try yours today. It's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.